First things first, let me teach you right how to make that gravy perfect late at night. Start with sausage, break it down with pride. Jimmy Dean or homemade, let that meat decide. Get it browning in the pan, don't you dare drain. That's flavor you're keeping, don't cause me pain. Me and meat, let it sizzle and pop. When it's cold and brown, that's when you stop. But biscuits and gravy drive the kitchen crazy. Flour, milk, and meat make that breakfast heat. Now sprinkle that flour, don't be shy. 2-3 tablespoons, gonna make it fly. Stir it in the grease till it's looking brown. That's your rule, don't let it burn down. Splash that milk in slow, keep on stirring. Watch that gravy magic start occurring. Salt and pepper heavy on the black. That's the seasoning secret, get on track. But biscuits and gravy drive the kitchen crazy. Flour, milk, and meat make that breakfast heat. Now for them biscuits, listen close, cause this right here is what I boast. Cold butter, milk too. Self-rising flour's what you gotta do. Don't you dare overwork that dough. Fold it gentle, keep it cold and slow. Pat it down about an inch or more. Cut them circles straight through to the core. 450 degrees, now don't you wait. Brush with butter, that's gonna make them great. 12 minutes later, watch them rise and shine. Golden brown tops looking mighty fine. Split them biscuits while they're piping hot. Pour that gravy, give it all you got. If your gravy's thick, add a little splash. If it's running thin, let it simmer and mash. Layer it up like you're building dreams, till that gravy down the edges streams. There's breakfast heaven on a simple plate. Southern tradition that just can't wait. Now you know the truth about this dish. Every grandma's secret recipe wish. Perfect breakfast, lunch, or dinner too. B&G magic coming straight to you.